your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Daniel Salsi here with your check-in on the weather. We had rain showers throughout the day today because of a cold front moving through. And right before that cold air hit, we actually saw temperatures getting into the lower 50s. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 43 degrees and we have those winds out of the west at 10 miles per hour. Though don't let that fool you, it still is quite gusty outside. We've seen those wind gusts recently within the past hour or two getting over 20 miles per hour. Now we still have those rain showers ongoing here in central New York State. And for a better look at where exactly they are, I'll send it to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, back in the studio. Colleen?
Yeah, we've got this line of rain showers extending from the Adirondacks right on down just south of Syracuse. And we also have some thunderstorms on the radar at the moment as well. Right here in between Hartwick and Oneonta, we're seeing lots of thunder and lightning in that area. We even saw a report of some small hail in the Syracuse area. These showers that are moving through are quite strong, and we're seeing some strong wind gusts with these as well. And we'll be feeling the cooler air filtering in behind this later on tonight, eventually changing over what remaining rain showers we have to flurries that'll continue into tomorrow. The big story, though, will be the wind. And you can see the wind speed here along the bottom. This is for tonight and tomorrow. The dots are going to indicate the wind direction here, but will be quite breezy overnight, 10 to 15 miles an hour, and actually even windier tomorrow morning than we were tonight, around 18, 17 miles an hour, and we'll see gusts up to 30 and 40 miles an hour. So we could see some minor wind damage, some tree branches down, but make sure to secure your holiday decorations as well. We will see the wind die down tomorrow night after this, but we're expecting another high wind event on Monday, so keep that in mind if you have lots of decorations out on the lawn. Now tonight we will see temperatures mainly in the 20s, 29 in Utica for a low, 27 in Cooperstown, 30 in Ilion tonight, and tomorrow's going to be a cold day. Our highs only a couple of degrees above our lows. The high temperature, 32 in Utica tomorrow, will feel very different than the 50 we hit today. 24 in Old Forge and 30 in Cooperstown. These will be the air temperatures, but we will have that wind chill factor tomorrow, so it's actually going to feel more like the teens and low 20s there for us tomorrow afternoon. Now you see on the futurecast tonight that we'll see some flurries outside of the valley, rain showers here in the valley until temperatures finally drop later on tonight. Then everybody has a chance for some flurries through the night, just a dusting to an inch at most, if any accumulation in some spots tonight. And we'll still be dealing with clouds and a few flurries tomorrow morning, but then those should largely wind down by the afternoon. We'll see some sunshine. I don't think quite as much as the futurecast wants to give us here, but we'll see some sunshine in the back half of the day tomorrow. Then clouds roll back in tomorrow night, maybe a chance for a few flurries, and we'll be dealing with some rain and snow showers here during the day on Saturday. You'll see we have a little bit of sun in between, but we'll be seeing kind of slushy conditions there as snow continues to fall off and on into Saturday evening, and then kind of winding down a bit for us on Sunday. So tonight, windy with that rain changing over to snow later on tonight. We'll get down to 29 in Utica, and we stay very windy tomorrow. Winds could gust to 30, 40 miles an hour tonight and tomorrow. We'll see a chance of flurries mainly in the morning with some sunshine for us tomorrow afternoon. Then we've got that rain and snow mix on Saturday, mostly snow, but we could see a little rain mixing in. We will make it into the mid-30s in the afternoon. Still looks pretty quiet on Sunday. Good day to go pick up your Christmas tree if you still haven't done that yet. And then a busy day Monday. It does look like we'll see mostly rain now instead of the rain to snow change like we were expecting Monday. Monday is actually going to look a lot like today. We'll surge into the low 50s. We'll see rain and high winds. After that, it's a little snowy for Monday night and Tuesday, but we're watching Wednesday for our potential for some shovelable snow there. If that storm gets close enough to us, that could mean a few inches of snow. Other than that, though, temperatures pretty normal for mid-December. Will be in the 30s and lower 40s there for the rest of the week.
Thanks, Colleen.
Yep.
Here's a look at what's coming up tonight.
Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Taking a look at the time lapse from today. Yet another gray day for us with rain falling off and on. And it was chilly with temperatures in the 40s, but relatively mild for this time of year. Some places even hit 50 this afternoon ahead of the cold front. We're going to see a similar day to what we saw today on Monday. Another day with rain and warm temperatures, but followed by a big crash off. And we are starting to see some snow now in the Adirondacks outside of the valley. We're seeing some rain. Most of this is very light, but it's windswept right now. The wind strong enough to jostle your car about a little bit. And we will later tonight, as temperatures drop, see a change over to all snow, even even in the valley later on tonight. We're sitting at 40 though right now in Utica. It's going to take quite a while to get us down below freezing. You can see our wind right now at a sustained 13 miles an hour. So it's already creating a little bit of a wind chill. And as temperatures drop, you'll notice that big time tomorrow. You can see our wind speed here along the bottom going to stay very strong well into tomorrow. We're still in the teens there, and we'll see some gusts up to 30, 40 miles an hour. The dots here show the wind direction. It's going to be a little bit variable for us over the next 24 hours, but we can expect to see some branches down. Hopefully no power lines getting taken down with those stronger wind gusts. And remember, we're expecting another day like this early next week, Monday. So if you have any holiday decorations, you want to secure those for tonight and tomorrow, and then again on Sunday to get prepared for Monday's wind event. Now you see later on tonight, temperatures are going to get down into the 20s in most spots, 21 in Old Forge, 28 in Cooperstown, so we're seeing that snowfall, but relatively warm as far as snow goes, and we'll see a little bit of that melting tomorrow, but mid-20s in the North Country, so a good snowmaking day there. Quite windy in the low 30s for us in the valley, but those wind chill temperatures going to be down in the 20s and teens. It's going to feel much colder tomorrow in the afternoon. So you see on the futurecast here tonight that we're going to see flurries off and on through the night, still dealing with clouds and flurries in the morning tomorrow, but then we'll see some sunshine hopefully for the afternoon because clouds will be rolling back in tomorrow night. It's short-lived, that sunshine for us this time of year, and you can see we have flurries in by tomorrow night as well. Saturday we're going to have snow off and on throughout the day, but temperatures in the valley will get above freezing again, so you'll see a little hint of rain here. We'll be seeing some rain mixing in with that snow off and on as well. Not expecting too much in the way of accumulation there Saturday and into Saturday evening. We will have a break, it looks like, from all that on Sunday. And if you still need to go out and pick your tree or pick up your tree, tomorrow we will be battling the wind, and Saturday we will have the rain and snow falling, unfortunately. So Sunday looks like the best day to get the tree if you can, but you'll want to secure those holiday decorations for the windy day we have coming on Monday. Tonight we've got that wind blowing. Rain will eventually change over to snow in Utica. We're already seeing snow outside of the valley. Temperatures into the 20s later tonight and only up to 32 tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures really feeling like the teens. That wind is going to be cutting tomorrow. We're into the low 20s tomorrow night, 30s for your Saturday. So we've got some snow and slush happening there. Looks like a quiet day Sunday, mainly dry, but then we have rain coming in Monday. So Monday's the day that looks a lot like today, but even windier. We could see gusts up to 50 miles an hour there at the beginning of the week next week. It'll be a similar pattern when you look at Tuesday and we drop off 20 degrees into the 30s, a little snow for Tuesday. And Wednesday is the day we're watching for the potential for several inches of snow to accumulate. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that.
Thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News.